no sabi talk. I say Gunners!
Hey!
On Saturday we dey go Anfield. Club go dey think say we be that same Arsenal of last season wey dem trash 5-1. But dem no know say na better upgrade we upgrade so. Dem think say na only Man City be their problem. But we go show dem say we ready for all of them this season.
Hey!
This match na must win. We must revenge wetin dey do us last season.
Hey!
Many of them think say Arsenal don die. Say we no fit achieve anything. And we no get ambition. But dem no know say na wetin we want make dem think be that. And for all those people wey bet against Arsenal, we go scatter their ticket. Now who dey tear mess for here? I no go ask am again. Now who dey scatter mess for here?
Ozil, you no go tell coach.
Tell coach wetin?
No be you mess.
You dey mad? I resemble person wey fit mess. See this small boy yo. You no fit transport your skipper again ba?
Na who dash you skipper?
Una no wan talk who mess abi? Na me una wan kill with mess ba? All of us go hear am today. We die here. Ozil, come out. E be like say na you I go start with first. I don dey find reason tey why I go take flog you.
But coachy, no be me mess now.
Come on, shut up there. Every time you go dey sleep when I dey talk.
But coachy.
On top all the experience wey you get, you still dey mess.
But coachy.
Foolish boy. Oya Lokozed. Abi na Lakagini be your name. Come out for here.
Ozil, you don say wetin you don cause ba?
So because you dey score goal for me, you think say you go fit mess when I dey try ginger una?
No.
Come on to find person wey mess na problem. Obama, show face.
Coachy, Obama dey America. My name na Obama.
I ask you your name. This boy, you think say we be mates? Mkhitaryan.
Yeah, coachy. If you flog me, I no go score goal for you.
This boy, your head don knock o. You never start match finish. You dey threaten me. Your father left to go. Luis.
But coach, I still be new guy for Arsenal. I suppose say to before.
Before Guinea.
Yeah, coach.
Before Guinea. You sef wey come new. Now you are the suspect pass. Because we know they mess for team talk like this before. You want settle. See your mouth like settle. Foolish boy. Torreira. Show face.
Abeg coach,
Abeg fire.
this is too much. Ozil see wetin don cause ba?
So you know say Ozil mess. Now you no talk since.
No coach, I can't believe this. Ozil, I swear na God go punish you.